There's just something to the feeling of striding through the airport with a beautiful set of luggage, everything perfectly packed, perfectly organized, rolling through the airport like you are starring in a movie about to jet set around the world. And if you are still rocking that discount luggage from TJ Maxx, I'm telling you, you're missing out. Hi, I'm Annie, I'm a frequent traveler, and I run the account Average Girl Does Cool Things. I'm here to help you stop traveling like an extra and start traveling like the main character. So subscribe if that's your vibe. Okay, so if we are walking through the airport traveling as if we are in our own movie, our luggage are our main cast of characters. So let's talk about who is starring in our luggage movie, okay? In our luggage casting lineup, we have 3 categories of stars. We got the main stars of the show, the suitcase. We have the supporting cast of the personal items. And then we have the cameos, which are provided by the specialists. Those are the ones where you're like, oh, I know that bag, I love that bag, but it's not like the main part of the movie. So in this video, I'm gonna take you through our 3 main character types and tell you what you should be looking for in a great set of luggage. And it starts with the main movie star, the Ryan Gosling, if you will, the carry-on bag. Now your carry-on bag is the piece of luggage that you are going to put all your clothes in, all your toiletries in, and then that's the piece that's gonna go in the overhead bin on the airplane. Maximum dimensions here, you want something that is 22 inches by 14 inches by 9 inches. That's gonna fit most standard airplanes. Now, when you're choosing a great carry-on, a couple features I want to look for. One, it needs to be durable because you're gonna have to check it at some point, so you want to make sure that it survives being checked. Number 2, I want something that glides amazingly. There is nothing more annoying than suitcase wheels that won't pivot, that will get stuck on things. Like the way a suitcase glides, changes the entire game. 3, I want something with great handles. I want handles on the top, I want handles on the sides, I want handles on the bottom, because that is going to allow me to manhandle that bag around wherever I need to go and get it up into the overhead bin easily and then easily grab it out of the overhead bin. So let me show you 2 of my absolute favorite carry-on go-tos. Carry-on number 1, this is the Away Bigger carry-on. This is actually at the maximum size. So this is 22, 14, 9. Away just does a really beautiful job of having this like minimalist design. I absolutely love the look of these suitcases. And they have, I swear, the best rolling wheels of any suitcase I have ever tried. Like they are, I don't know what they're putting in there, but they are fantastic. Now I mentioned at the top, we've got handle, and a handle here. It also has a TSA lock, so if you do have to check the bag, you can lock the TSA lock and not worry about people rifling through your stuff. Now in the Away carry-on, I gotta find the end here. So if we open this up, Away has a really simple system inside their bags. They don't over-engineer your bag, so which is, I think, good and bad. Some people really like a lot of compartments. The next suitcase I'm gonna show you has a lot of compartments, but the Away suitcases are really simple. You've got a zippered side on the left with another mesh pocket. And then on the right side, you've got a compression sleeve. So I love this thing because I'll put all my clothes on this side and then just lock it down really hard. It helps me fit so much more stuff in there. And I love that I can open up the suitcase and things aren't gonna come flying out. Like I can access either side separately. So it just keeps things really organized if I do have to open the suitcase like in mid-transit. Has a couple more pockets on that compression sleeve. And then it's also got a laundry bag in this little pouch up here. So that's it for the Away suitcase. Like it's a really simple suitcase. They also have a lifetime warranty, which I have taken advantage of. I had an airline broke one of my suitcases from Away and they replaced it like no questions asked. It was amazing. I just mailed them back the old suitcase and they sent me this brand new one. So I'm a big fan of Away. I love Away suitcases. By the way, all the suitcases I'm gonna show you today, I have discount codes for you down in the description below if you wanna go shopping. Now with the Away Bigger carry-on, I can get like 10 days worth of clothes in that thing. I know it seems crazy, but if I'm packing judiciously, I can get 10 days of clothes in that thing. But what if I'm only going on like a 3 or 4 day trip and I want something a little bit smaller? That is when I use my Bay's smaller carry-on. This is the Bay's smaller carry-on. So you can see how much smaller this is than the Away Bigger carry-on. Again, we have the TSA lock, we have handle, but no handle on the bottom. We can fix that, Bay's. I want my bottom handle. And then the other feature on Bay's, which I think is so interesting, is they actually have a padded handle here. So this is padded at the bottom. I have some friends who absolutely love that feature. I don't totally love it just because it's soft-sided and I want everything on my suitcase to be hard-sided so that I can clean it really easily. I'm worried that this is gonna get gunky and gross, but it does feel really nice in your hand. It has good wheels. I don't find that they roll quite as good as the Away, but they're still excellent wheels. And then it has a bag strap, which I think this is really great. You can wrap this around whatever your personal item is, your handbag or whatever, attach it back on here. Ooh, it does attach. And then like you can carry your bag on your suitcase. So that's pretty nifty too. Just some nice features on this bag. I also really love the size. Like it is so easy to just kind of manhandle all over the place, but it's still really sturdy. So if you had to check it, it would be okay. Now I'm gonna open it up for you because Béis engineers their suitcases with a lot of pockets and compartments. So in this Béis suitcase, we've got a closing flap on this side. It also comes with shoe bags, which is kind of cool. And then these are like water resistant little pockets so you can put all your toiletries in here. On this side, again, you've got a compression sleeve just like the Away, which I love, and pockets on the compression sleeve that are actually longer and like zip all the way down. So, and then this compression sleeve also pops out if you don't want to keep it in here. Actually, I think the Away does too, but this one just snaps it. So a few more bells and whistles on the Béis bag, but I find I can get like easily 3, 4, 5 days of luggage into this bag. So I really love this one for business trips. And honestly, like packing with this small of a footprint really makes it look like you got your stuff together, you know? Like it impresses the boss. So those are our carry-ons. The other piece of luggage that you need to have in your cast is a larger checked bag. For this one, I'm going back to my Away suitcases again. This is I think it's the medium bag, which is really big. It's a really big bag, but this is a great bag for checked luggage. I again went for this just like minimalist black suitcase. And the reason I went with black is because you have to remember your bag is going to get like beat up when you check it, okay? I know we love the beautiful color bags. We love the light color bags, but if you're checking your bag, you can't be precious with it, unfortunately. You need something durable and something that you are going to recognize when it comes through off the baggage claim. So that's why I put stickers all over mine, even though they are taking a beating and I got a little ribbon on here. But again, the Away bag, super simple, same exact setup that I had in the carry-on. There's something about having like a match set of luggage that just feels really good. So I like having the match set of luggage. Again, the wheels are really great. And I like that the Away suitcases nest together. So the bigger carry-on nests in this perfectly, and this would nest in the larger bag as well. And again, TSA lock on the top, handles on the side, handles on the bottom. Okay, so that is our main cast of characters, but what about the supporting cast? Because you can't have a great movie without a great supporting cast. In our case, the supporting cast is the personal item. This is my #1 cast member. This is the North Face Vault laptop bag. If you've seen any of my packing videos, you know I've talked about this bag ad nauseum. I love this backpack so very much. This is my favorite personal item. I like to carry a backpack most of the time when I'm traveling, just because it doesn't give me like the one-sided shoulder lopsided thing. And it doubles like when you're out and about, if you're adventuring, if you're hiking or whatever. This is like the best backpack to go between like adventuring and then onto the plane. Super lightweight, it has lots of great compartments, really deep water bottle pockets that you can put all sorts of things in. It has this like airflow thing in the back. So this was really great when I was hiking for the gorillas in Rwanda and Uganda. Got like little anchor points, attachments in the front. And it's just really small and sleek, and like, this has been a great backpack. It's starting to fray out a little bit, which makes me very sad. I don't want to lose this one. But this thing and I are like ride or die. If I could give an award for like best supporting luggage, it's my winner every time. Now, if you want something a little more serious, I want to introduce you to a new castmate in my life. This is the Black Voyage Zephyr Pro. Full disclosure, Black Voyage sent this to me and they were like, hey, you like luggage, would you like to check out our bag? And I was like, yeah, sure, I'll check it out. This is a very cool backpack. I'm very impressed with how well they engineered this bag. And the big point on this bag is that it has a vacuum compression pocket. So you can pack up to like 60 liters worth of clothing in here. I mean, honestly, you could probably pack for 3, 4, maybe 5 days, depending on where you're going, in just this bag, right? Like imagine traveling with just a personal item, how freeing that could be. Everybody's gonna look at you in the airport and be like, where is that person going? Why is their bag so serious? How is it so easy for them to board and deplane? In fact, I'm gonna try it out soon. I'm going on a trip to Key West and I'm gonna pack only in this backpack. So be sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that video. It could be amazing, it could be a disaster. I don't know, but we're gonna find out together. Okay, so I love my backpacks as my personal item, but Sometimes you want to look a little bit more, I don't know, put together, a little more fancy if you're traveling for business or something. So in that case, I might go with a laptop bag or like a larger tote purse. Two options for that I think you'll see at the airport. One, this is from Kate Spade. This is just a really solid laptop bag. The thing I like about this is that it does have a flap that goes over the top and then will secure down, although I gotta say the craftsmanship, the quality on this little latch is not ideal. It doesn't want to turn. Oh, there, now it turned. And then of course it has lots of pockets and things, and it slides under the seat really well, really easily. The only thing I don't love about this is that because there's like multiple sides to it and pockets, I can never remember where I put things. And so I feel like I'm constantly having to like open everything up to find what I'm looking for in here. That might just be a me problem. I don't know. And also the straps are a really good size. So it's really easy to just like pop this on top of my suitcase and like hold the straps as I hold the handle with the suitcase as well, so I don't have to like have it on my shoulder all the time. Now, there is one piece of personal item luggage that you will see at almost every single airport. Sometimes she's real, most of the time she's probably fake. I don't know how anybody travels with this bag, quite honestly. Okay, it's this, right? This is the Louis Vuitton Never Full bag. You see these at every freaking airport. People love them. Mostly women love these bags. I love my carry-all. I love it. Mine is real, so there's no way in hell I am taking this through the airport. Okay, I don't want to expose it to all of the germs and the dirt and, you know, potentially lose it or scratch it or break it. It's not coming on an airplane with me. Also, you can't close it. And so, you know, things can just go flying everywhere. And I don't understand how people travel with this, but you will see this in so many of your airport theoretical movies, if you will, just because it's flashy. And I don't know, it's like that famous actress who everybody recognizes and she gets all the parts, but like she's not very good. That's kind of the way I feel about the Neverfull. Again, love this bag for every day, never going on an airplane. Now, I could geek out on luggage all day long. If you are somebody who also likes to geek out on luggage, stay tuned, make sure that you are subscribed because I am working on a space for us to do exactly that. So be sure you're subscribed to get the latest updates. Okay, and finally we have the cameos. These are the specialists, okay? These are like the famous bags that come in to just do like one really specific job. I have three specialists that I want to introduce you to. Number one, the Patagonia Black Hole Duffel. Yeah, again, if you've seen my videos before, you know I'm obsessed with this bag as well. I did an entire week in Kenya in this bag. I did like, I don't know, 8 days in Rwanda and Uganda. This bag is like Hermione's magic bag. You can fit so much into it and it's so simple. It has backpack straps for you to throw on your back when it gets heavy. It's got a traditional duffel strap. It's got handles on the ends and it folds down to this tiny little size. So I am a huge fan of the Patagonia Black Hole Duffel. I have it in the 40 liter. I kind of wish I had it in the 50 liter. Maybe that'll be an upgrade for myself, but whatever size you get, you're gonna be very happy. Now, the next specialist I wanna introduce you to is the Longchamp Le Pliage. Please don't come at me for my pronunciation, okay? Okay, I did my best. Anyway, this bag, this is obviously folded down, but it folds down to this tiny little footprint. And then, you know, you just pop it open and boom, you've got this huge tote bag with a zipper at the top, flap over the top. This makes a great handbag, but what I really love using this bag for is my bag in a bag system. So you put this bag in your checked bag or your carry-on, whatever you wanna do. And then if you go shopping, right? You put whatever you buy into this bag and then you check your carry-on bag and now you've just got like your personal item in this bag and you're able to bring home so much more stuff. Because I know a lot of people don't like to travel with just a carry-on in case they go shopping and they want to bring souvenirs home. I totally get it. That's why I pack this bag. That way I can travel carry-on only when I'm going to a destination and I know that all my stuff is going to be with me and arrive with me. And then I can check the bag going home because, you know, if your bag gets lost on the way home, it's not that big of a hassle. It's a little bit of a hassle, but it's not like gonna ruin your trip, right? So the Le Pliage is amazing for that bag in a bag system. The third specialist I wanna introduce you to is the Aloha Collection Pouch. I've been a huge fan of Aloha Collection Pouches for a very long time. These things are water resistant, so they make amazing like pool bags if you're going on a beach vacation. They're really great for that. They come in mini, small, medium, and large sizes. They fold up obviously to like nothing. They can double as a clutch if you forget a purse when you're going out. They're great toiletry bags. They're great as packing cubes to keep things organized. I have an entire basket of these Aloha collection bags. I'm such a big fan. This is like an absolute must-have when you're traveling. If you want to see how I put all of this luggage to very good use, go watch this video next. Until next time, go create a life you love. Bye.